In this video, I will guide you through drafting a slip dress pattern based on a basic block. This is a classic spaghetti strap dress that never goes out of style. It is a minimalist design with very high versatility. Simply by changing the fabric, you can turn it into a home dress, a street dress, a beach dress, or even an elegant evening dress. At the same time, I have uploaded a free sewing pattern by size on my website, so you can download it and sew right away. However, this pattern is drafted using an industrial standard size chart, so you will still need a small adjustment step to make it fit your own measurements better. And now, let's begin. This is my basic block. This pattern is drafted using the method from my drafting pattern ebook. First, draw the side seam, armhole, shoulder, and neckline onto the paper. Next, determine the dress length. This depends on your personal preference, so you can adjust it to your desired length. Extend outward about 7 to 10 centimeters, then complete the side seam line. Mark the bust point. Draw the hemline perpendicular to the side seam. Next, determine the point where the strap meets the neckline. This point is located at the midpoint between the shoulder tip and the bust point. Next, determine the neckline depth. The neckline will sit about 2 to 3 centimeters above the bust point. Draw the armhole curve and the neckline curve. The strap width is from 1 to 1.5 centimeters. Next, create small darts at the neckline and the armhole. Each dart is about 0.3 centimeters wide. Close the darts. The dart apex is about 3 centimeters away from the bust point. Next is the back piece. I will use the side seam and hemline of the front piece to draw the side seam and hemline of the back piece. Next, determine the point where the strap meets the neckline. This point is about 12 to 15 centimeters away from the shoulder. Draw the armhole curve and the neckline curve. Make a small cut along the waistline at the back to allow the pattern to open and reshape from waist to hip. I have now finished drafting the slip dress pattern. For the shoulder straps, we will use a slider and ring set from 1 centimeter to 1.5 centimeters, depending on the strap width. However, since I do not have a ring, I will use a slider to replace the ring. I will use non-stretch cotton fabric for this dress. If you prefer a dress with more drape and a more elegant look, you can choose silk satin, silk charmeuse, or high-quality poly satin. In the next video, I will guide you through the sewing process. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.